Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to install presets and I'm gonna give you for free a pack of presets I prepared for you. Are you ready? Intro. Okay guys, as soon as you go to the description of this video and you click in the link, you're gonna come to this page. That's the landing page. You can see free Lightroom presets and there's some information here. You just put your email. I'm gonna do it now. You click send me the presets and there you go. You have to check your email. I'm gonna show you. And this is the email you're going to receive, okay? Thanking you again for watching my videos. You just click in download. And it's done. Now I'm going to show you in the folder how is it. So you have it as a RAR file, okay? It's a zip file. You're going to right click and put extract here. I did it already, so you can see here the folder MarioTech Lightroom presets. Now I'm going to go to Lightroom and I'm going to show you how to install it. Okay guys, I'll show you how easy it is to install these presets. So you come here on the top of Lightroom, you have edit, and you're going to come here in edit. But if you're using a Mac, then here where it says file, you're gonna have the icon of Lightroom. You just click in that and it's going to be the same, okay? Then we go to preferences. This is what it's going to open. You have a menu here on the top. You're gonna go to presets, and then in presets, you're gonna see these two buttons here. Where it says show all other Lightroom presets, that was the button before. So you go here, you install your presets. But now we're going to use this one, show Lightroom develop presets, okay? We click here, and immediately this is going to open and you can see that actually settings is already highlighted. So what you do, you go inside settings. This is what is going to open. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look for the folder I'm giving you. This one over here that you just downloaded, and we're going to pull it and put it there in this settings folder. There you go. Now we're going to come back here to Lightroom and we're going to press OK. And then we have to close Lightroom and open it again. It's like to restart, right? Okay guys, coming back to Lightroom now, it's all resetted. And now you can see here MarioTech presets. These are the presets I'm giving you, okay? We're gonna click here and you can see all of them are here. In this case, for example, this is a landscape. Let's look for landscape. Of course, you can use any of them, but that's just for an example. These ones are really cool. Orange teal is actually becoming very popular nowadays, so you can use them. But in this case, I think I like this one. And then you click and look at this. It's all edited already. Look, even the curves, everything. But of course, you can still manipulate a little bit here. For example, here I think I can put a little bit more of exposure. So let's put a little bit more of exposure. Let's see there. And I think I like it better. And you can see how it was before and how it's now. It's much better. So it's as simple as that. Something I want to mention is that the presets are not going to make your photos beautiful and amazing. You already have to take the photos with proper exposure so the presets can work perfectly, okay? So try always to do your best in the picture in camera, so then it's easier. And then these presets are going to help you a lot. Let's look for another picture. This one, for example, somebody took this picture of myself in Alaska. Let's look for forest, for example, you can see. But you know what? Let's play with the orange teal. I like the orange teal. It's nice, no? We can crop it, like for Instagram. And it's nice. You can see I like the colors of the orange. It's becoming very popular and I'm looking at it all the time. So I'm always tending to do this orange editing nowadays. Let's see another picture. This picture is very nice. This dog is our friend. It's called William. Let's see. Let's crop the picture. And I think I'm gonna leave it there. I like the picture like this. I like to see the branches. So there you go. Now we can play, maybe the orange is gonna be nice. Oh, look at this one. It's very nice. Forest, you have forest here. I think I'm going for the orange teal again. I like it a lot. I'm gonna give a little bit more of contrast maybe. And I'm gonna take out a little bit less the highlights. So the idea is that I'm showing you that you can still manipulate everything. It's not necessarily final as soon as you put the presets, no? So yeah, just use the presets, enjoy them, and be creative. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. It's for free. Just press this button over here. Until next week.